A traffic stop for erratic driving turns confrontational, as the driver challenges the officer's instructions immediately. A records check reveals her license is suspended. She vehemently denies this, claiming valid insurance and full compliance.
But we're talking about that I'm not familiar with, and you're telling me that we're not talking about. Okay. Let's talk about the system. My license.
The suspect becomes increasingly sassy, insisting there is absolutely zero reason for the police to detain her. She attempts to debate the law, arguing that the suspension notice in the police database must be a clerical error.
I have valid insurance. I can't. But I can. I have to stop to get it. It's in my email. I have to stop to get it. But I can't. I have valid. Why is my license suspended? I'm asking you a question.
The investigation shifts to impairment. When asked about the odor of alcohol, she states there is a 0% chance she has been drinking.
At all, because that's not true. I'm not. I'm not going to do this. You understand that I'm wearing heels.
The officer offers her a final opportunity to dispel the suspicion of DUI through field exercises. She refuses to cooperate.
I'm not doing anything wrong right now. I am.
Patience runs out. The officers move to arrest her for DUI and driving on a suspended license. She appears shocked. Secured in the patrol vehicle, she shifts her defense, arguing that the police have no physical proof of her alcohol consumption.
The woman refused to take a breathalyzer test when asked, which led officers to inform her of the legal consequences. Under Florida law, refusal results in a mandatory suspension of driving privileges.
The deputy attempts to read the implied consent warning regarding the breathalyzer test, but she talks over him incessantly.
The purpose of determining its alcohol content may be refused to take the test. I request that your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year. For request refusal, 18 months of your driving privileges.
Excuse me, I'm asking you a question though. I'm asking you a question. I don't understand her guidance.
Confusion ensues. She suddenly claims she would have performed the tests to avoid arrest, directly contradicting her earlier refusal.
I would perform under to avoid arrest. I would perform those for you to avoid arrest. I said yes, and you're still arresting me.
After you were under arrest.
Yes, I would do that if it would avoid an arrest. You said.
The tantrum escalates. She screams at the officer, claiming she cannot hear him while he attempts to read her legal rights.
Refusing the sobriety test and expressed her willingness to cooperate. However, by that point, it was already too late.
I have a super good lawyer, so I'm glad it's all going to be on video surveillance. Finish what you were saying.
She begins lecturing the officers on judicial proceedings, insisting their case will crumble in court due to a lack of evidence.
Poorly for you in courts. You have no proof that I was drinking. You have no proof that I was doing anything wrong except for speeding. So everything you're doing right now is just to inconvenience my life for what? Like I have a 7-year-old at home. Like I'm not doing anything wrong but speeding.
The verbal abuse peaks. She demands they roll up the window and finish reading her Miranda rights immediately.
Roll my window up. Shut the fuck up. Roll my window up. Shut the fuck up here. Shut up. Good. Great. Awesome. I can. Roll my window up. Roll my window up.
Understand the rights.
Roll my window up. Roll my window up. Roll my window up. I don't give a.
She threatens the officers with legal action, displaying supreme confidence that her attorney will humiliate them in the courtroom.
Terrible. Besides mine. Can you finish doing that, please? Can you do at least one thing right tonight? Finish Finish reading my Miranda rights. Finish reading them to me. That's your job. Finish reading the rights.
Ultimately, she is charged with DUI refusal, driving with a suspended license, and resisting an officer without violence.
Basically, don't touch me. You hear what I'm saying? Excuse me, don't touch me. I'm physically capable of getting out of this car and getting into the air. Don't touch me.